Hey guys, today we're going to read The Best Fig by Sarah Ford, illustrated by the Brave Union. So if we come over here, this ape is named Jane. So let's read together. Jane is an ape who wants a fig, but she cannot reach it. So let's think, how can Jane get the fig? Some of the words that we're going to read are slim, snap, spots, step. And the words to know are because, just, and pick. Those are sight words, so you should be familiar with those. So let's read. The Best Fig by Sarah Ford, illustrated by the Brave Union. Jane spots a nice fig. That is just what I need. Jane hops but cannot get it. Mom, can you pick that fig? No, Jane, because apes cannot step on slim stems, Mom tells her. Now let's think, what is a slim stem? If a person is slim, that means that they're skinny, that they're not very big around, like my finger. So if a stem is slim, it means that the branch is too skinny and the ape cannot step on it because it'll fall through. Jane stands on Dad. She hops and hops, but Jane still cannot get it. Why that fig? Said Dad. Because it is the best fig, Jane tells him. Jane gets sticks and vines and makes one big stick. She jabs at the fig. Snap! It pops off. You can see there. The fig lands in her hands. At last, yells Jane. All right, so now we're going to speed read. You can see Mom right here eating something. It doesn't look like figs, though, maybe berries. Now we're going to speed read. We're going to read these words to be a better reader. So I'll read them first, and then you can pause it so that you can read. We have makes, why, one, pick, just, and because. So now you can pause and read them yourself. Now let's show what we know. The words in our bank say lands, best, and stick. This says tell about the story. Lands, best, stick. Jane wants the blank fig. Does Jane want the lands fig? Does Jane want the best fig? Or does Jane want the stick fig? She jabs it with a big blank. She jabs it with a big lands. She jabs it with a big best, or she jabs it with a big stick. It blank in her hand. It lands in her hand. It best in her hand, or it stick in her hand. Which one makes sense? And that's all we have for today, guys. See y'all next time.